Hi everybody, my name is Scott McKinley with Universal Accounting, and today we have Roger Knecht with us.
Hi there.
What we would like to do is take a couple moments of your time and discuss with you the Professional Tax Preparer Program. Roger, I'm going to ask you a couple questions if you don't mind. Explain to the people who might be watching this video why somebody would be interested in enrolling as a student in the Professional Tax Preparer course.
Oh, excellent question. There's a number of reasons. First of all, just the potential, the demand, the opportunities that exist in preparing taxes. There's obviously the opportunity to work for individuals doing 1040s, but there's also the business opportunities, preparing returns for corporations and businesses and such. But the one thing that I think is pressing today is the fact that the IRS is starting to and has really made a lot of headway in regulating tax preparers. And so there's I think an opportunity here that everyone should recognize and seize.
So aside from the fact that there's money basically to be had by doing the taxes, if you're doing the books, you might as well do the taxes.
Yep.
But the IRS is going to be regulating it. So
That's right.
What would one of our students be looking for in a tax program?
Well, it's basically a twofold question. I think if you're in the tax profession already, you're fairly familiar with everything, you've been doing it for years. Right now, you're looking at it from a point of view of you're about ready to be asked to take a test, and you're going to want to pass that test. I mean, this is your livelihood, this is how you're making money, so it's good to take and do a refresher, get to know things. Well, what kind of tax program are you looking for? I would suggest something that's complete and comprehensive, something that's easy to understand, and so don't just settle for a simple class or a few weeks classes on maybe a 1040. You want to basically be a little bit more knowledgeable and take something that will help you both with the 1040s as well as the business returns, complementing both. To try and find a program that teaches you both individual returns and business returns is hard, but they are out there.
Does Universal have a course?
Oh yes, they do. Universal does offer training. It's called the Professional Tax Preparer Program. It is one that I would strongly recommend for a number of reasons. But before I get into that, let me just point out that for those that are wanting to enter the tax profession, wanting to get into this, you're looking for a program that can help you understand why tax exists here in the United States, why it's important to be doing so that you can help people in those questions. But also you're looking at how do you become familiar with and acquainted with the tax law, having not done it before, and you need something that can help you do that. And the Professional Tax Preparer Program does exactly that, and so that's where you'd want to start.
Okay, good. Now, I hear it a lot. I speak with students, I speak with people that are looking to be students, and QAS tends to come up. Can you just explain to everybody what QAS means?
Yes, there are a few things to be aware of, and you can help me out with this as well. Okay. QAS is essentially one of the things that NASBA has granted to various programs that are offering training, and it allows people in those who need CPE credits to get that CPE credit. But what you're looking for is you're looking for a training that's just not out there, but it's actually been reviewed and certified as being quality training that's actually met certain instructional qualifications that's going to test you properly and actually get things done, kind of like an EA prep course or something along those lines. And the Professional Tax Preparer Program does exactly that. It's not just reading content and something that you're going to read and basically struggle through. It's basically audio, video, and reading all combined to help you with teaching and retention. Now the QAS, that's the reason why that's so important. Both AICPA and NASBA have come up with some standards that they're using to basically define whether or not a program is a quality training. And the Professional Tax Preparer Program is exactly that. It is a QAS designated training program for tax preparation.
Okay, good. Thank you. Good information. So, if you're looking to get enrolled in a tax program, you want something that's going to be a complete solution, both the personal tax as well as the business, the corporate end as well. You want something that's going to provide you with the type of training that is recognized nationally by NASBA.
That's right.
And something that also, one thing about the tax program that Universal offers, it's not just training on taxes, but it focuses on your tax business, does it not?
That's exactly right. That's where I wanted to end. There's one thing to be said for those that want to go out and get tax training, learning both the 1040s, the individual returns, and the business returns. But there's something more to be said to find a training program out there that is QAS approved that teaches you how to start and build your own tax practice, how to interview those people that you're taking and meeting with to do their taxes, what questions to ask them so that you're doing a proper return.
Right.
What are the things you do in marketing to go out and get clients? And last of all, with Universal Accounting, you're actually through the tax program as a professional tax preparer able to call in and get coaching not only just the marketing but also tax questions. It's not one of these one question a month type of a things. while you have support, you can call in and get the support that you need on those various tax returns that you may be struggling with as you're providing that service. So, excellent program. The Professional Tax Preparer program allows you to essentially be in business for yourself, but not by yourself. That's the key.
Good. Well, good information. Essentially, if you're doing the accounting for a small business, but you're not doing the taxes, call in, speak to somebody, look at the Professional Tax Preparer program. It sounds like it's definitely the whole package. Again, thank you, Roger, for sharing that with us. My name is Scott McKinley, Roger Knecht. Remember, if it's about accounting, it's universal.
And if it's about accounting, it is universal. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.